Hey guys, welcome back to Heavy Lies the Crown. Here's another unboxing I have for you. This is the Zara Collection 2020, guys. Alright, so let's get into it. We're gonna unbox. This is a big box, okay guys? It's not no small box. What I'm using is my Supreme little knife that I got from 2019. Okay. This knife is super sharp, so we're gonna open this box and see what's inside. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe, like this video. There's lots of content that I have that I'm gonna be posting, so be sure to look out for that. Okay guys, Heavy Lies the Crown. You guys can follow me on Instagram at Heavy Lies the Hype. Okay, unboxing all hype items or non-hype items, hype items in general. Okay, and here we go. So look out for those. Check me out. Let's get it. Alright, we're gonna remove the paper. Let me just show you. The paper is really nice. There's a silver sticker right there. The wrapping is super nice from Zara. And here we go, man. These to me is casual clothes, guys. You don't have to always dress that street life. These are casual sweaters, okay? I picked these sweaters up. These are called pearl knit sweaters, okay? And what's cool about them is that they're super warm. They're from Zara. The knit is unbelievable, the way they created this sweater, okay? So we'll get into that in a sec. Let me just show you what's inside the box. I also got some pants, 2 different color pants here from Zara. Super nice chino pants. Everybody rocking chino pants. Alright, and that's in the box, nothing else. Let's put the box aside and get into the items. Alright guys, so first off, we gonna talk about the sweaters I got here, okay? This is the first gray sweater from Zara, okay? I got it in a large fit. This is made in Turkey. As you can see, it's a heavy sweater. It's not your thin, typical sweater. It's a heavy sweater. Super nice. Lines going down the side of the chest there. It's plain. Everything is plain. No branding on it, which I like. Super comfy. These are fitted. It's cuffed at the wrist there. And yeah, the neck is nice on these sweaters. That's the gray colorway. This is the black colorway. All these sweaters is the same. If you guys are wondering, these are the same exact sweaters from Zara I got. Okay, all is large. I'm a medium, but with Zara, I suggest for some items you guys gotta go up a size. Okay, so yeah, some items in Zara it's fine to be true to size, but I personally like trying on clothes before I buy it. But due to COVID, there's no really trying on clothes anymore, right? So you get what you get. But these fit perfect. Look at the lines going down on the side there. That is intricate detail to make the look just pop. People are gonna look at it and they're gonna say, wow, that's a nice sweater. Where did you get it from? And you say Zara, they say Zara. What? Zara. So yeah, these are casual sweaters. Next up we have the pants. Okay guys, so these pants are chino fitted pants. Okay, it's not too fitted, but it's not too baggy. It's perfect. It's not even loose fit or anything. These are chino pants. It says 46 there, but I have to get this is actually 36 waist. Sorry, I am a 34 waist. Okay, but with Zara, you always have to size up. So before I bought these pants, I bought pants previously from Zara, and before I bought them, I went to try them on, and my size is true 34. And when I bought 34, those pants were super tight on me, super tight on my legs, super tight on my waist, everything. So I had to go size up, and when you go size up, they fit super comfortable. So I decided to buy without trying, because I've tried in the past. So yeah, and I tried these on, and these fit perfect. You know, the waist to me honestly is just a tad little too big, but it's okay. You know, I got the zipper in the front, button in the front, casual deep pockets, everything is blessed here, guys. And there you have it. You know, so any questions, just leave a comment. If you're trying to buy Zara pants or Zara sweaters or jackets, let me know. I shop at Zara and I tried on clothes. And yeah, man, this is my pickups. Let me know what you think. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, support the channel. And there's not gonna be only Supreme, but there's gonna be everything. Okay, guys?